Today we are going to start chapter 5, arithmetic progression. Okay, in this chapter we will study the sequence, list of number in which succeeding term, consecutive terms are obtaining by adding a fixed number to preceding term. Okay, we will find the formula to find the value of the term in this type of sequence and sum of the term in this type of sequence. Okay. So first we are going to start in this chapter that one of the progression. It is arithmetic progression. Topic first, introduction to arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression AP is the list of number which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. In this fixed number is called the common difference denoted by D of the AP. It can be positive, negative or zero. In other words, short definition of arithmetic progression is a list of number A1, A2, A3 up to so on AN is called an arithmetic progression AP. If there exists a constant number such D, such that A2 is equals to A1 plus D, A3 is equals to A2 plus D, A4 is equals to A3 plus D up to so on AN is equals to N minus 1 plus D and so on. Each term of the number in this list is called the term. Okay. In general, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D up to so on represent an arithmetic progression where A is first term and D is common difference. Here A represent the first term and D represent the common difference. Okay, in each term. This is called the general form of AP. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D up to so on is called the general form of AP. Okay. Now, what is the sequence? A list of number arranging in a definite order according to some definite rule is called a sequence. Okay. Sequence is a list of number arranged in the definite order according to some definite rule. Okay. What is progression? Progression are those sequence whose term always follows a definite pattern. Okay, it's called progression. Selection of term in AP. How we select the term in AP? Okay, so in 3 number, AP can be selected as A minus D, A plus D. In 4 number, AP can be selected as A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. In 5 number, AP can be selected as A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 2D. Okay. Now we are going to start exercise 5.1. Question number first is, in which of the following situation does the list of number involves make an arithmetic progression and why? Okay. So first question is the taxi fare after a kilometer when the fare is rupees 50 for the first kilometer and the rupees 8 for the each additional kilometer. Okay, so here we have to find the additional kilometers. Okay, so according to the question, the fare of journey of 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer and 4 kilometer up to so on are respectively. For 1 kilometer, first fare rupees is 15. So second kilometer is 15 plus 8 because each fare additional kilometer is rupees 8. So 15 plus 8. In 2 kilometer it will be 15 plus 2 into 8. In 3 kilometer it will be 15 plus 3 into 8 and so on. Okay, that is 15. 15 plus 8 will be 23. 15 plus 2 into 8 will be 31 and 15 plus 3 into 8 will be 39 and up to so on. Here each term is obtained by the adding 8 to the preceding term except the first term. So it is the form of AP. In this question we have to prove that the question is given is in the form of AP or not. Okay. So बाकी के क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, 4, 5 ये आप कीजिएगा. मैं आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 बताती हूँ. सेकेंड और थर्ड आप खुद ट्राई कीजिएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. Okay. So in these previous classes or classes 8, you are already know the formula how to find the amount. Okay, so we know that A is equals to P1 plus R upon 100 to the power T. You know very well the formula how to find the amount. Here P is rupees 10,000, rate is 8% per annum and T is 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Now amount of first year 1 plus 8 upon 100 to the power 1, then it will be 10 rupees 10800. Amount of second year, in this same formula we put change the values of power in the power of time. First we take first year, then we take second year. So it will be 10,000, 1 plus 8 upon 100, then it will be rupees 11664 and so on. Okay, thus the list of the number is 10,000, 10800, 11664 and up to so on. Here, okay, here we have to find the common difference. So in common difference, first we subtract. Okay, so first 10800 minus 10,000. Okay, it means A1 minus A2. A2 minus A1. A2 is 10800 and A1 is 10,000. First term is 10,000 and second term is, first term is 10,000, second term is 10800. So we subtracting both. 10800 minus 10,000, it will be 800. Okay, 11664 minus 10800, then it will be 864. That is, the common difference is not the same, hence it does not in the form of an AP. Okay, now we are going to start question number second. Question number second is, write the first four term of an AP when the first term A and the common difference is D are given as the follows. Okay, so A, here A is 10 and D is 10. Okay, so given A is equals to 10 and D is equals to 10. So we know that, we know the series A plus D, A plus 2D. We have to find the first four terms, okay, in AP. So we write this sequence A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D up to so on are in the AP. Okay, here A is equals to 10, okay, and D is equals to also 10. Okay, then it will be A plus D, then 10 plus 10, it will be 20. A plus 2D, then 10 plus 2 into 10, it will be 30. And A plus 3D is equals to A plus 3 into 10, it will be 40. Thus the first term of first four term of AP will be 10, 20, 30 and 40. Okay, similarly आप क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड, इसी का सेकेंड, थर्ड और फोर्थ कीजिएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में आपको बताती हूँ. Question number 5, A is equals to 1.25 and D is equals to minus 0.25. Okay, so given A is equals to minus 1.25, okay, and D is equals to minus 0.25. Okay, so A is minus 1.25 and D is equals to minus 0.25. So we know that the series A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D up to so on are in the AP. So A is equals to 1.25, A plus D is, it will be minus 1.25 minus plus, so plus minus will be minus, then it will be minus 0.25, so is equals to minus 1.50. A plus 2D minus 1.25 plus 2 into minus 0.25, then it will be minus 1.75, and similarly A plus 3D is minus 2.00. Okay, thus the first four term of an AP will be, first term is minus 1.25, second term is minus 1.50, third term is minus 1.75 and fourth term is minus 2.00. Okay, now question number third. Question number third is, which of the following are APs? If they are form of an AP, then find the common difference D and write the three more terms. Okay, we have to find the common difference D and then we have to find the next three terms. Okay, so question number first is 2, 4, 8, 16 up to so on. Okay, here we know we have series A2 minus A1, then it will be 2 is A1, it's A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay, so A2 minus A1 is equals to 4 minus 2, it will be 2. A3 minus A2 minus say 8 minus 4, it will be 4. Since A2 minus A1 is not is equals to A3 minus A2, therefore the given list of number does not in the form of AP. इस अगर ये AP में होता तो हम क्या करते, आगे की 3 मोर टर्म्स फाइंड करते, बट ये AP है ही नहीं तो हम इसे यहीं रेस्ट कर देंगे. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, 2,5/2, 3, 7/2 up to so on. Here we have A2 minus A1, A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay, so A2 minus A1, it will be 5/2 minus 2. So it will be 5, 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4/2, it will be 1/2. A3 minus A2, so 3 minus 5/2, it will be 6 minus 5/2, it will be 1/2. Then A4 minus A3, 7/2 minus 3, it will be 1/2 and so on. Okay, since the difference of any two consecutive terms is the same, therefore the given list of number form an AP and its common difference D is 1/2. So next three term of the AP are A5, A5 is equals to A4 plus D. Okay, A4 is 7/2 plus 1/2. How we find A4? A5 is equals to A plus 4D. So A4 is A plus 3D plus D. A plus 3D plus D, it will be 4D. Okay, so 7 plus 1/2, it will be 8/2 is equals to 4. A6 is equals to A5 plus D. Okay, 4 plus 1/2, it will be 4 plus 1/2. A5 term is 4. So 8 plus 1/2, it will be 9/2, and A7 is A6 plus D. A6 is 9/2. So 9/2 and D will be 1/2. So it will be 9 plus 1/2, 10/2, it will be 5. Okay. Question number 5. Question number 5 is 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 up to so on. Okay. So here we have A2 minus A1, it will be 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So it will be root 2. A3 minus A2 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. Then we are solving this term, so it will be root 2. A4 minus A5, so it will be 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2. It will be root 2 and so on. Okay. Since the difference of the any two consecutive term in the same, therefore the given list of number is in the form of AP. So common difference is root 2. सबको हमने सॉल्व करके देखा तो सबका कॉमन डिफरेंस हमारा क्या आया, रूट 2. ओके, सो A5 इज A4 प्लस D. A4 क्या हो जाएगा हमारा 3 प्लस रूट 2 प्लस रूट 2. Then it will be 3 root 2 plus root 2, it will be 4 root 2. So 3 plus 4 root 2. A6 is A5 plus D. Then it will be 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2. 4 root 2 plus 1 root 2, it will be 5 root 2. Then it will be 3 plus 5 root 2. A7 is A6 plus D. A6 is a 3 plus 5 root 2. So 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2. Then it will be 3 plus 6 root 2. Okay. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. इसी के बाकी क्वेश्चन आप सॉल्व कीजिएगा. मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 बताती हूँ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 है आपका A, 2A, 3A, 4A up to so on. So we have it's A1, A2, A3, A4. So A2 minus A1, it means 2A minus A, it will be A. A3 minus A2, 3A minus 2A, it will be A. A4 minus A3, it means 4A minus D, it will be A, and so on. Now the next three term. Here common difference. Since the difference of any two consecutive term is the same, therefore the given number of is in the form of AP. So the common difference D is A. Now next three terms of this AP are A5. It will be A4 plus D. A4 means 4A plus D. It will be 5A. A6 is 5A plus D. So 5A plus A, it will be 6A. A7 is A6 plus D. It means 6A plus A, it will be 7A. Okay. Now next question is 1 square minus 5, 1 square, 5 square minus 7 square, 73 and up to so on. Okay. So here we have A2 minus A1. A2 is 5 square and A1 is 1 square. 5 square is 25. 25 minus 1 will be 24. Now A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. A3 is 7 square and A2 is 5 square. So 7 square will be 49 and A5 square will be 25. So 49 minus 25 will be 24. Now A4 minus A3. A4 is 73. Okay. And A3 is 7 square. 7 square is 49. Okay, so 73 minus 49 is equals to 24 and so on. Okay, so here also the difference of any two consecutive term is the same. Therefore, the given term is list in the form of AP. So common difference is 24. Okay, so now we are going to find the next three terms. Okay, now next three term of AP are A5. A5 is A4 plus D, it will be 73 plus 24, then it will be 97. A6 is A5 plus D, A5 is 97 and D is 24, so it will be 121. A7 is A6 plus D, A6 is 121, D is 24, so answer is 145. Okay, so यहाँ पे आपकी एक्सरसाइज 5.1 खत्म होती है.